Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Manchester local and long distance movers near me. You must relocate more than 50 miles away from your current location to qualify as a long distance relocation. We have the necessary competence and experience to complete long distance removals. Everything you need to move and secure your possessions is in place, and you can be sure that our movers will treat your possessions with care. Long distance travel is no problem for our vehicles because they are strong and equipped enough to handle it. Additionally, our vehicles meet and even exceed industry requirements. We encourage our drivers to strictly observe all state and federal highway rules and be careful with our clients' properties. We guarantee that your items will arrive on schedule and in good condition. Moving within 50 miles of your present place is considered a local relocation. The cost of a short-distance migration is also cheaper than that of long-distance moves. Our movers have a solid connection to the local community. They take the time to get to know their customers and find the best solutions to their individual needs. We charge between $30 and $40 an hour for work. In the event of an accident, we have enough insurance coverage. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Manchester moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.